There's Raven going into the animal hospital. Here we go. Well, Raven doesn't know what's going to happen, does she?
Okay, so who did you have here?
Raven.
Raven, perfect.
Yeah. Max was done a few months ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see that here.
Yeah. She's still very tiny.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, she is small the last time you saw her.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so I do have the same form I'll go over with you here. So...
I'm just going to be in the parking lot over there.
Yeah. No
Working out of there.
worries. So yeah, she'll probably go home late afternoon. You're okay?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
That's okay? Perfect.
Yep.
Alrighty. That is all I need.
Bye-bye, sweetie. Isn't she cute?
So she lives in there too?
Oh, yeah, both with both of them. Yep.
Oh, nice.
Yep. Oh, poor Max. Doesn't know what to do without Raven around. Yeah, Max? Do you miss Raven already? It's only been an hour. Yeah. She'll be fine. Yep. I wanted to get Raven a special treat after she comes out of the hospital. And there's a pet store right near the hospital. And they had so much selection. But I was looking for Raven's favorite food is shredded chicken. It took me a while to find it, but I found it and I got her a few cans of it. Special treat for my little girl. Oh, Raven's just back from the hospital. Oh, she's a little upset. I'm trying to get the cone on her and she won't let me do it. I might need to have somebody to help me. But yeah, my poor baby. She, not like Max. Max was dead to the world for several hours. She's wide awake, a little heart beating, but she'll be okay. Just lying back on a Friday evening, and Raven, wanted to join me. She's recovered nicely from her surgery. Yes. How you doing, Raven, huh? I thought she got a white spot on her paw, but it's where she was shaved. She doesn't like me looking at her belly, but she's been very good. Hasn't been licking. Yeah. It's Saturday evening. I've had my supper, and Max and Raven are nicely cuddled up together, sleeping. Well, it's Sunday. Means a couple things. My usual waffles and berries, and I got coffee going. Max is sitting beside me, and you see the pile of laundry there. It's laundry day as well, so we'll get things done. And yeah, right, Max? Max is gonna relax. Raven is hiding somewhere. She's doing good. Gary and Joe from Bizzo Ambo Life came by. They spent the night, Saturday night, and he came by, and I'm going to do some electrical work for him. I'm helping him install his electrical to his diesel heater. And what I did, when I took his old heater out months ago, I left the wiring in because it said could always use it. So I'm using the from the fan high, I'm connecting for the positive on the diesel heater, and it also has the ground. So I'll be using the existing ground and the fan high for powering the diesel heater. So we're just getting that connected up. I put a quick connect. He was thinking of just having it one solid connection, but I like to always have it where you can disconnect it. When I remove the heater, you don't have to cut the wire or whatever. So I'm making it simple for him, just making sure that everything works, everything's nice and neat, and I'll show you what the other parts have done. Okay, This wire here is for the heater. It's to activate the relay for the high. The yellow wire I took off. This is for the low on the heater, and it goes down to these two relays here, the low and the high. So we're using these to power up the diesel heater. So just making use of existing wiring. It saves running new stuff. That's why I always like to reuse stuff. There's still stuff in here that I'm going to take off. We're going to remove this solenoid and this solenoid in the future, change them with solid state. These two solenoids on the bottom here are for the sure start. So if the truck batteries die, you can start the it transfers the house batteries to the truck batteries, and you can start your vehicle. The flasher is going to come off eventually. We don't need, it's not on there anymore. There's a few other circuits that we're going to remove. It's just time, right? Making sure that we use everything wisely. And well, this is pretty empty. This can come out, like these switches and these wires here, but we can use these wires for different controls too. And yeah, what do you think, Gary?
Amazing, absolutely amazing.
Yeah. So now you got your diesel heater.
It's a jungle in here, and only Wayne knows how to transverse it.
And if you look at mine, it's even more of a jungle, right?
Oh,
yeah.
geez,
So yeah, so I always like to reuse a lot of stuff, and makes everything easier in the long run. Some people, they rip out everything in the vehicle. No, my high beam doesn't work anymore. This doesn't work anymore. So if you're gonna rip out all the wiring, make sure that you follow what's there and you can hook it back up again. Went out to Gary's last week. We've had a problem with his Energy 50 amp DC to DC converter with MPPT. Found out that the wasn't charging to the solar, and it also wasn't charging when the vehicle was running. So I left the unit there. I had a quick look at it, and they says, oh, maybe it's under warranty. But found out it was 1 day out of warranty. He contacted Renogy. They never contacted him back after a week. And so I took the unit apart, had a look at it, did some fault finding, and I'm looking a bit more to it, but parts aren't available that I can find, and I can't find a schematic online. It would be great if I could find one. So Gary and Joe are going to replace the unit. That's just life. Things break down, but not super expensive, but it'd be nice if Renogy actually contacted them back. Well, I made a few changes up front. I finally strapped down the cat tree so it won't move. It's been bolted to the floor, but it was wiggling on the top, so I just put a couple straps to hold it in place. And I replaced my litter box. I had that custom one I built when I still had the passenger seat in. So I bought this really nice litter box. It's kind of neat. It has two bottoms, so and a sifter, so you lift it up, sift, and all the good litter goes to the bottom. Empty out the bad litter or clumpy litter or whatever you want to call it, and it works great. But I installed my fans that I had for the custom built litter box on it, and that goes out and it still vents out to the underneath the wheel well. That works really well. I'm pleased with that. And I also received, you see what this is, I got this computer laptop mount given to me by Bizzo Ambo Group. They were giving this to mountit.com that supply all sorts of mounts for computers, laptops, monitors, but they couldn't fit it in their vehicle, and they want to know if I could use it, and I said great. I think it works great. I mounted it to the floor, the bolt, and then I just attached it to the side of my cabin a bit so it doesn't move around a little bit, but it seems to be quite stable. I really like it. And so there I can watch sitting back, I can watch a video, not while I'm driving though, of course, and I can do some work, video editing. Sometimes I just want to be outside, look around, and see stuff from the side. So I really like the thing. I think it's great quality. I tried it onto my laptop here, which is a laptop tablet, so a dual purpose, and I tried it also on my Toshiba laptop, which is much larger, and it fits in too. It also has a built-in fan for helping cooling if it gets a little warm, and so it's pretty good. I'm quite pleased with the quality, the adjustments. I can move it around, I can raise it up, lower it, and the cats don't seem to. I did play a little video for the cats, but they're more interested in just looking outside right now, and Max is cleaning himself. So yeah, so I'm really pleased with the mount. Let me know what you think of my cabinet, my tree, my litter box, the odorless litter box, or even this really great laptop mounting unit. And we'll talk to you soon.